Doma bo treba. Ampak sem toliko pijan, da mi peš težko prišel.
Ne nori in takoj pokliči taksi.
Taksija ne bom klical, ker pa zjutraj ne bom najdel svojega avta. Pa še kazen bom plačal zjutraj za nepravilno parkiranje.
I will drive you home.
Wow, ne, mojega avta že ne boš vozil.
Yes, I will. My name is Niels. I have a company and it's called Scooter Billy. Basically what we do is we drive people who drink a little bit too much home with their own car. I have a little fold-up moped. I use that to come to the car, I fold it up, I put it in the car, then I drive the person home or wherever he wants to go. After that I just take my moped out and go to the next customer. The size of the moped when folded is 85 centimeters by 65 by 35, so basically it fits in any car, even in the Smart it fits. I only have problems with two-seaters, cabrios and Porsches and that kind of stuff. Well, till now I never had any problems with scratches or anything. I do check insurance, but it also says in the terms and conditions that your car has to be properly insured. What I do check also in the winter is that the car has winter tires, otherwise I will not drive it. If I feel the car is unsafe, I will not drive it. Well, the thing is, what I see is in the beginning people call me in the afternoon and they ask me 1,000 questions about insurance and that kind of stuff. And the first time I drive them, they are as good as sober. But then when they trust my service, they get quite drunk and they actually fall asleep.
Kako radi pa sploh Slovenci, ki so tako navezani na svoje avtomobile, prepustijo ključe svojega avtomobila? Koliko dejansko dela in kaj je tisto, kar vas ustavi?
Well, it really depends per month. If you look at December, Vasily December, I have a lot of work. I almost cannot handle it anymore by myself. But if you look in January, February, I hardly have any work. So it really depends. I think last year it's around 2.6 drives per day. Actually, there is hardly any condition that I don't drive. I drive in rain, snow, ice. Minus 19 is the coldest I ever drove, but if it's minus 20 I will still do it.
Evo, avto je doma, jaz tudi. Razmišljam samo, če se ne bi za 2000 tudi sam mislil takšen služljivi skuter, naslednjič z njim v mestu in ga stlačil v klasičen taksi. Ne.